Hey everyone, Lucas from nasilvawealth here to talk about buying a property without actually seeing it. A lot of you might think that's crazy, but it's what we typically do. There's three things that we consider when doing this. One is we know exactly what we're looking for. Two is have a good agent. And three is the conditional offer if accepted. So when we look for a property, we look for a raised ranch or a back split within a 5-kilometer range of a hospital, a university, or well-paying jobs, as an example, within a certain budget. Two, we work with Prime and they go in and they take videos for us, they send us comps and give us their opinion of whether it's a good fit for our investment. They know exactly what we're looking for and it makes our decision a lot easier. And three is the conditional offer. If possible, this gives you an opportunity to go and see the place with a contractor, crunch some numbers, do some analysis, see if it's a good fit or walk away if it's not. And those are the three factors that we consider when buying a property without seeing it.